Alright guys, back at the garage, have a look at the stats, see how we ended up in that game. Okay. A win. Look, sniper token and repair kit. Master badge 1 and spotter, fighter effect and bruiser. 2403 spotting, which is pretty good. A decent amount of spotting damage. 7356 XP, that's with 4 times. Yeah. What else? Blocked 700, so the Carnarvon blocked 130 off him, 1 shot. And then the Persian I blocked twice for 480, which wasn't too bad. 5 kills, is that? Yeah. Oh, sorry, 5. Sorry, 2 kills and 5 tracks. I think it was the 50p I just kept perma tracking. 2 kills, 2168 damage. Dead top. Me and this T44 working together pretty much. This guy, apologies for shooting him. I just got so annoyed that he slowed me down a couple of seconds and I wanted to get to that position so quick. So yeah, but he got, I mean, it cost me 3,000 for it. So would have shot him again actually. So 133,000 on top. Would have been 136, wouldn't it? So that's a pretty decent 154 total. I came away with 133,000. Pretty much, I think, round about the most I've ever made, 130-ish. Might have made a bit more, but not much. 18 shots fired, 16 hits and only 11 penned. I think I was bouncing off that Persian. With my assistance, 2,400 with my assistance. That wasn't bad for 4 minutes. Yeah. So this 50p would have done a lot more damage. He was in a good position. He just managed to let me get him, track him, and he couldn't get any shots off of me, so he'd be pretty gutted. I was just tracking him, but the last shot I'd done, I thought I'd do a bit of damage, and then somebody else killed him. A little bit of a chance there. Yeah, that's it for the FV4202. Decent game, decent amount of XP, 150 odd on top. But guys, the position I went to is, I always try to go to that one if I'm on that side of the map. If I'm on the other side of the map, I don't try and go there because I know how powerful that rock can be. I did get hit by the Panther, I think. Panther hit me, and but the last IS-3 shot was trying to get under his tracks, under the dead tank. I was trying to shoot him under that gap. I managed to hit his upper plate through shooting beneath that tank, but somebody else took him out. I think the last one I didn't kill him. I only hit him once. Kept bouncing. Yeah, so that was a good game. So I hope you like this. Thumbs up if you did. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.